Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you a quick trick to apply blend modes way faster using keyboard shortcuts. So let's get started. I've got two objects here, and let's say I want to apply a blend mode to this layer. Normally I'd select it, I'll head to the top of the layers panel, and click here to pick whichever blend mode I want. But here's a faster way. I'm gonna hold down Shift and press plus or minus to cycle through the different blend modes. So hold down Shift and press plus to go to the next blend mode, and hold down Shift and press minus to go to the previous blend mode. Now if you already know exactly which blend mode you want, here's an even quicker trick. Hold down Alt and Shift if you're on Windows, or Option and Shift if you're on a Mac, then press the assigned letter of that blend mode. I'm on Windows right now, so I'll hold down Alt and Shift and press M for multiply, or O for overlay, or S for screen. You can find the list of the keyboard shortcuts for blend modes by going to Edit, select Settings, then on the left bar go to Shortcuts. On the shortcut settings here, select blend modes from the drop-down menu, and you'll see all the assigned keyboard shortcuts for the blend modes. Additionally, you can also change these shortcut keys or assign a new one. And that's it. I hope this is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.